Anthropic, the creators of Claude Science, have been dropping gems, and they sneaky dropped this AI agent workspace that has control over the browser. So you guys to do a certain task, it does its best to require that task. I've been testing it for my own cultural, ethnic research to follow my interests, and I realized, this is effective for many things. And whatever your interests are, I want to showcase how you can utilize it in more of a streamlined format. Right? It is very simple. It doesn't require coding experience, knowledge of software engineering. It requires 3 steps and and to listen to the video all the way to the end to work with it, right? So first, you're simply going to need to navigate the Claude. You want to go to your email. You want to click on API console. You can go to get API keys. You want to get this key right here, or create a new key. Copy that key, save that key. You want to download Docker on your desktop. Very simple, very easy. Get Docker. Once you have Docker installed, you want to copy this right here, and you want to replace Anthropic API key with your key you got from the settings. Then hit run. Once it runs, it will open up a browser in your window at localhost 8080, and now you can play around with this. I mean, this is amazing. This is amazing. Like for me, I'm going down to research about, my interest. It's giving me scholarly articles and citing articles that I can go read myself, and also give me summarization based on this knowledge in the article. I can't validate the truth of it, but I can validate enough that it is right in front of me that I can read it, right? So it's just great, perfect, man. I'm really curious below, how would you guys utilize this new tool, and actually what other tools are on par with this tool? Put them below, because I would love to use them as well. So, hope this helps. Hope this provides for you, and